Kiss Mindy. Eh. Okay. Mindy. Spencer. Mindy. Si Spencer, bisag naapay ya ha. Mukhaon na siya. Natanawa. Nangahulog no. Kay iya mang kanon bisan og napapuno pa yung baba. Well, si Mindy dili. Siyang kuha. Wait. I'll get some more. Okay. This one, ganon si Kuanan na Mindy. White. I don't know what this seed is. But Spencer, sa puno pang baba niya. They don't like sunflower. This is sunflower seed. I'm going to feed it to Spencer. Wait. Spencer. Here. Mindy likes the greens. I don't know what happened to Mindy. Yeah. Oo, tanawa ra gyud si Spencer. Here. Oh, don't fight. Here, Spencer. He's chewing something.
Butang din na side.
Huh?
Pinakilid. Mo-follow man sila.
Yeah, okay, here.
No, ang seed.
Where?
Ibut ang seed dira para mo-follow nila. Eye contact. Di sila kita dira.
Here. Okay, very good. There should be something, no, utangan na sa seed sa taas, sa kwan ba? Sa sulod. Mindy. Si Mindy, kinanglan natagan ni mo dagko seeds. Okay. A grain. Tan-awar yun ni Spencer. Iyo lang yung kwaon para di makakaon si Mindy. Kanya, even though busog pa siya. What I mean is full pa yung mouth. Ayaw kay mga makuan nila hang minsa. Di pa sila. They're afraid of you. Okay, let's see. Come on, Mindy. Okay. This will be the last piece. Spencer! Spencer! Come on, Spencer. Why are you so sad? You look sad. Tara, diri dapat i-shoot. Shooting ka, kita lang eyes. You look sad, Spencer. Come on. Eat now. You're full already. Okay, enough. That's it. Curious? You're curious? What happened to this? What's that? Bye, YouTube. Bye, YouTube.